Hey everyone, I know it's been a while. Since we last spoke, I've become a doctor and also a global peace advocate. If you shop in France, Envie de Plus can help you save money on everyday products through cashback offers. In this video, I'll show you how to create an account, submit a cashback request, and receive your reimbursement from start to finish. To get started, visit the Envie de Plus website and click S'inscrire to create a new account. The registration process only takes a few minutes and is required before you can submit any cashback request. Enter your personal information and follow the prompts to finish creating your account. If you're using a Gmail address, remember to check your promotions folder or spam for other mailboxes, such as Yahoo, as the confirmation emails may be delivered there instead of your primary inbox. Next, verify your phone number. If you live outside of France, simply change the country code and enter your local mobile number. The website accepts phone numbers from multiple countries. After creating your account and signing in, select Reimbursement en ligne après vos courses. This section contains all of the cashback offers currently available. Browse the available offers and select the product that you purchased. For this demonstration, I'll choose the Head and Shoulders Shampoo cashback offer. Upload a clear photo or PDF of your receipt and make sure that it's visible and easy to read. Try to avoid covering any information as this may delay the review process. It's going to confirm the items that you are seeking reimbursement for, confirm the cashback offer, verify your IBAN, and submit your request. Your reimbursement will be sent directly to the bank account that you have provided. After submitting your request, you'll receive a confirmation email. If the request is approved, you'll receive another email notifying you that your reimbursement is being processed. Thank you for watching. I hope this tutorial has helped you learn how to use Envie de Plus to save money on your everyday purchases. If you found this video helpful, consider liking, sharing, and subscribing for more tutorials.